Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, reset HP laptop to factory settings updated on 2025. Click Start, Settings, System. Click Recovery. Click Reset PC. Click Remove Everything. Select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.